Ever wondered what the most delectable Italian dish tastes like? Imagine a mouth-watering medley of fresh ingredients, enveloped in a symphony of flavors that only Italian cuisine can offer. Welcome to a journey through the art of making the classic Italian lasagna. Begin by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. While the oven warms, sauté 1 finely chopped onion and 2 cloves of garlic in a splash of olive oil. Once golden, add a pound of ground beef, browning it gently. Now pour in 1 can of crushed tomatoes, a dash of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. Allow this delectable mixture to simmer, letting the flavors meld together. Simultaneously, in a separate bowl, blend together 1 egg, 15 ounces of ricotta cheese, and 3/4 cup each of grated Parmesan and mozzarella cheese. Following this, ladle a spoonful of the meat sauce into a baking dish, layering it with lasagna noodles, the cheese mixture, and another layer of meat sauce. Repeat this process until all ingredients are used up, ensuring the topmost layer is a generous sprinkle of cheese. Slide this into the preheated oven, baking for 25 minutes until the cheese bubbles into a golden crust. Allow it to cool before serving a piece of this Italian masterpiece. In summary, this classic Italian lasagna is a gastronomic journey through layers of pasta, cheese, and meat, a trifecta of flavors that dances on your palate, leaving you craving for more. The fresh ingredients blend seamlessly, each bite a testament to the richness of Italian cuisine. This is not just a dish, it's an experience, a celebration of Italian culinary excellence. So why wait? Embark on this delightful culinary adventure and savor the taste of authentic Italian lasagna.